objects in the lakehouse. Yesterday, I think we got chance to learn about main points we learned. So I think by this time we are good with the overview of this Microsoft Fabric, what it is doing. Okay, then we also know main components, whatever available. That is going to talk about the architecture. Some of things, whatever we have here, key features and Fabric versus rest of the platforms, whatever available in the market today. You can able to refer this one. Okay, we started with the exercise 2 and exercise 3 also we completed, I think, yesterday, but still I will repeat today. And today I'm going to provide the MSFT idea I'm going to provide so that you can able to practice it. So I think this architecture were clear from yesterday, right? What we have is all in one place. These all are available in one place, and these all are sitting on top of what? One lake. Now we have the one lake. On top of this one lake only, these all things are sitting. Now to control the governance, security, those all things, we have the purview is available. This also single point of contact. Tomorrow you may want to implement the HIPAA rules, okay, or you want to implement the PAI encryption or PHA encryption, any kind of data governance you need to talk about, then that is happens through the purview only. The purview also part of this fabric. Okay, and we observed fabric versus other data platforms. Already we have the Synapse that is also came to the fabric. Now Databricks, whatever it is doing, same thing we are going to do in the fabric. There is Snowflake, data warehouse is available, that also we are going to do in the fabric itself. So there is no need to run here and there. It is a all-in-one solution. That's what we are saying as it is a end-to-end analytics platform. End-to-end analytics platform. Okay, now I'm trying to open the portal again. Let us try to open the portal. Yesterday we opened the portal. Let me remove this. Now you can see now app.powerbay.com is the URL and experience is equal to Power BI, it is available. But first I want experience is equal to fabric we want to go. The moment you click on the fabric, then this will be changes here. Let me cancel this. Okay, now this is changed as experience is equal to fabric developer. We want to create here one workspace. We want to create it. Let's go and try to create that workspace. And inside the workspace, we want to create the lakehouse. Then we'll try to put some data also today and we'll explore that data. We have here workspaces. Yesterday we learned how many types of workspaces we have. Yesterday I said how many types of workspaces we have.
Two.
Two.
Two. One is my workspace that is personal to you, and shared workspaces that is you can if you want to tomorrow give the contributor access, administrator access, member access, viewer access. These are the four types of access are available. What it means we come to understand down the line. We can provide the access, we can able to provide it. Let's say we are trying to create here one new workspace we are creating. The new workspace name is equal to, for example, RRITEC. Then we are saying as fabric, then demo, then workspace, something like this we are providing. Now click on here, apply, remaining all things, leave it as it is. Okay, domain I will talk about later. Click on apply. Now we created here one workspace we created successfully. That's what our exercise 2, what we are trying to talk about here. So exercise 2 is creating the workspace. Go to the app.fabric.microsoft.com or app.powerbi.com, whatever it is. Then create new workspace and give some name. Now, inside this one, we have here new item is available. We need to click on this new item. Then we are looking for the storage we are looking. Just go and try to type here storage. The moment we type here storage, data. Okay, lake house. You type here lake house. Then you can notice here directly we are getting here. This is a store data. Under that one, we have the lake house. We also noticed this lakehouse is meant for big data processing only. So you can notice here big data for cleaning, querying, and reporting and sharing. We can do all the activities in one place. Click on that lakehouse. Just try to provide that name also as ITEC, then Fabric, then demo. Then we are trying to provide this as a lakehouse.
Ram, I have a
So
question.
yeah.
So yesterday, you taught us like saying that when we create, when you click on the create workspace button, one lake will be created. Is that right?
Hmm, create workspace button one lake. Yes. Okay, not exactly create workspace. Create workspace, creating the tenant itself.
Okay.
Okay, tenant meaning, for example, if you click here, okay, then we have here settings. Then we have here admin portal. If you go to the admin portal, this is called as tenant.
Mhm.
Okay, to understand better, I can show one diagram and I can explain. So let me show you some diagram. Yeah, this is the reference documentation. Open this. Now, here we have one beautiful diagram. Yeah, this is a beautiful diagram. Now, see, this is a Microsoft Fabric tenant. Under the tenant, we have the workspaces. It may be 0 to n number of workspaces may be there.
Mhm.
Under one workspace, you may have 0 to n lakehouses may be available.
Yeah.
And this also a number of data sets, a number of warehouses, a number of custo queries. Okay, this is at the level of Fabric, right? Now, this is exactly one lake. One lake is created at the level of tenant level. That means this total diagram is called as one lake.
Okay.
You can notice here the following image shows how Fabric stores data in one lake. You can have several workspaces per tenant and multiple lake houses within each workspace, something like that. So one lake is at the level of tenant level. That means
Okay.
for a given organization, suppose you're working for the one company called as Wells Fargo. Entire Wells Fargo will have only one lake. That means only one tenant. Under
Okay.
that Wells Fargo, they are doing the business in USA. They'll create one workspace maybe for the USA business purpose. Another workspace may be India business purpose. Okay, something like
Okay.
that. Even
Okay.
you want, even we want to further divide this one. There's a concept of domain is available. I did not explain that one because it is too early to explain it. Domain means like within the Wells Fargo, you may have the finance. Okay, finance is a functional term, right?
Yes.
Under finance, again you may be looking for finance is the domain here. Finance is the domain. Under this finance domain, USA business purpose, you can create the one workspace. India business purpose, you can create the one more workspace. You got it?
Yeah.
So one domain will have a number of workspaces and again. Okay. Yeah.
So basically, one lake will
Go ahead. Go
contain
ahead.
many workspaces.
Yep. 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 Whatever we are doing here now, right? Everything is at the tenant level. One lake is available. Okay. That one lake is default. It is came. One lake means nothing but again it is a ADLS only. ADLS means Azure Data Lake Storage Service. So you can see somewhere uh, the unification of lakehouse, Control F, Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Okay. So yeah, one lake is built on top of what? ADLS Gen 2 only. So Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So right now we are clear about how to create here one workspace. We clear how to create it. Now once I create this workspace, we also created a lakehouse we created. Now this workspace, okay, John is my colleague, you need to access it. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to provide the permissions accordingly. We have to provide it. So click on this workspace settings, sorry. Click on this manage access. There we have the four roles will be there. One is administrator role, contributor role, member role, those and those things we are going to provide it. The moment, let us say I have already one user, let me go and try to see it. Yeah, this is a user. Okay, now here I have the roles are available based on how I want to promote her. Then I can provide the permission. I'll explain what this mean later. Now, in each object level, these permissions, whatever available, not only at the workspace level, tomorrow one report level you want to give, or you want to give one data set level you want to give, possible. Each and every object level you can able to control the data, though it is available all at one place. People may be thinking like, okay, there is a problem of security. No, we are going to give the who can access what. We are going to control the data governance properly. We are going to control within the objects. Right. Now, let me go and try to uh, close this. Then we can see here we have the tables and files by default two folders created. Let me close this also and also make this as bigger size. I'm making bigger size. Now we are able to observe one more concept is available, one lake app. Like we have the OneDrive, right? OneDrive and one lake both are same, I can say. OneDrive is useful to store whatever you want it, right?
Yes.
OneDrive, you are going to use it to store whatever you want it. That also has one app is available. You can install inside your mobiles or inside your laptops. Similarly, one lake also kind of storage only. They also provide one lake app they provided. Okay, one lake app. If you want, you can download one lake app, something like this, and you can install inside your machine. You can able to install it. Later, we can able to browse very easily. It's very small size. You can notice here one lake, and we are seeing a 77.7 MB only. And this is recently released 420 2024. Of course, every time this versions also will be changes. In fact, Fabric is a kind of changing its own within a month or 2 months of time. Very drastically, so many changes are coming because Microsoft is investing a lot of amount and they want to take this Fabric as a single solution for all the things, right? There is reason they are doing a lot of changes also. There is reason better option is always follow the help document. Okay, right. Now go for your system requirements. You can see Windows 10 and Windows 11. We have it. Then it is best. The installation nothing much will be there. Just you have to download and you have to install it. Time being, I am trying to click on here download. Then this one link is trying to download. Let's say keep it. People can download this one. I'm sharing this one in the chat I am giving. You can install inside our laptop. You can able to install it. It's very small size. Okay, right. Now, once you download it, let us go and try to observe it is available or not. Downloaded. Then this is what the one link. Try to install it. So we are trying to install. Then say install. Then you can notice install Microsoft One Lake File Explorer. Even Windows also we used to have what Explorer we have. If you go and try to click here, just say your File Explorer. This is a File Explorer only, right? Daily C drive, D drive, we are seeing it. The C drive, D drive, these all things are coming from where? File Explorer only. So same concept they come up with here. Instead of your hard disk File Explorer, we are trying to do the One Lake File Explorer. Okay, here also whatever we used to save it, like it may be workspace, it may be data set or whatever it is, we can able to see from your system itself, we can able to see it if you have this one lake. Okay, this is called as one lake client, one lake client, one lake client. That is, we want to communicate with the now Azure means this client is available inside our laptop. Okay, actually, all objects are available inside the Azure. How the handshake is going to happen? You understand my point? This one lake client is available inside our laptop. And actually, our object, suppose today you created two objects you created. One is workspace object, second is lakehouse object you created. Those two objects are available inside the Azure. How these are going to communicate? Based on your ID, based on your mail ID. That's what it is asking. Tell me what is your mail ID so that I can communicate to the Azure, I can get it. Something like we have the Google Drive. Google Drive software you installed inside your laptop. Automatically, the objects will be syncing if you give their ID, right?
Yes.
Similar concept here also. If you go and try to click on this one, it may ask the authentication. So yeah, it's connected, looks like. Okay, now looks like it's going on. Okay, how we are seeing here OneDrive. Similarly, we are seeing here now what is this? How we are seeing here OneDrive. Similarly, we are seeing what is this?
One lake.
One lake. Yeah, that's it.
One lake.
Now under one lake, you can notice here we have some workspaces which are in the fabric experience. In the fabric experience, whatever you created, those all things you are seeing it. Are you seeing your workspace? Yes, this is our workspace, right? Today only we created. Now we can able to relate this diagram very well, I think. So previously I shown one diagram. Previously I shown one diagram. If you go to, not here, yeah, in this screen, I think. So yeah, this diagram. We observed Microsoft Fabric tenant. Under that one workspaces 0 to n folders may be available. Each one is one folder. Are you seeing similar to that one now? If you see this, this is the one lake now. This is the one lake now. In this one
Oh,
lake, now we can able to observe one folder is available. This folder is our workspace, right?
yes, sir.
Our workspace is coming as a one folder. Tomorrow, someone is required one more workspace. He also going to create it. How we created a test fabric, ITEC workspace, something like that we created, right? Similarly, they also create it, and we'll get one more folder here. Now, under this workspace folder, if I click here, then you can see something. One more folder is available. You can see this diagram. Under this workspace, we used to have what?
Folders and
Lake
a
houses.
lake house.
Lake house. Yeah, lake house also appearing as a one kind of folder here. Under this lake house, if I go and try to observe, let me open this lake house. Now we see so many things, files, then table maintenance, then tables we have it. We come to understand what you mean by files, tables, table maintenance, these things. As of now, we don't have any files yet. Okay, as of now, we don't have any tables yet. Okay, no table maintenance also available as of now. All are empty because just now we created this lake house we created. But we are very good now. We know now how to create one workspace. We know now how to create one lake house. And these two things are sitting inside where? These all
One lake.
things are
One
sitting
lake.
inside where? One lake it is sitting. And we're able to see how it is sitting inside the one lake properly. We're able to see it. If you install the one lake client is available. This is called as one lake client. Okay, right. If you install one lake client, clearly you can able to observe it. Everything is a folders and files only, nothing much. End of the day, very simple technology they created everything. Everything is a folders and files. Matter of that's it. Now, big things always will come simple actually. Big things always will come in a simple way. Meaning, you know what? Big data we are saying it, but they are also following what it is? HDFS. Anyone know what is the full form of this one?
Oh, sir.
Hadoop
Hadoop file
file system.
system.
That means here, end of the day, it's a file system means the kind of folders and files only. So each table they will say as a one folder. Inside that one files also we are going to create it. So file system is nothing much. It's a files and folder. A group of files, a group of folders is a file system. But HDFS is a first revolutionary thing in the big data world. Okay, we are moving from normal database to things means first HDFS only we used it. Now each one is come up with their own style of uh, file systems. It's okay. Let's say if you take the Databricks, the guy is saying as DBFS. That means Databricks file system. Now if you say this Fabric, it's saying as one lake. Different styles will be there, but end of the day the base concept is came from the big data HDFS only it's came. Cool. Now next we need to understand here. Let me open your portal. Now we are here. So in this window let me spend some time. I have here left side. I have here left side two things are available. One is called as tables and files are available. This window is called as what window? This window is
Explorer.
called a Explorer. So it's a Lakehouse Explorer. Lakehouse Explorer. We are trying to see inside the Lakehouse what we have it. We are trying to see it. So it's a Lakehouse Explorer. Now into this Lakehouse Explorer, we have many ways to get the data. Suppose your data is available inside our local system in the C drive or D drive somewhere it is available. You can happily you can go and you can upload it. We are learning the things. I want some sample data. I want it. We can click on this one, automatically some sample data will be coming. This is more beautiful option. Never ever before option. That is shortcut. Now, what is the problem we know nowadays? Some people are saying as I'm using GCP. Some people are saying as I'm using AWS. Some people are saying as I'm using Azure. Suppose data is available in the AWS and someone who is sitting in the Power BI, you want the report means again he has to get all the data here. That means same data you're copying or not?
Yeah,
Are-
yeah,
Yeah,
copying.
that means duplication. We have only 1 GB data. This 1 GB data is required by 10 places, for example. Same copy will be copying here, there, like that. 10 GB unnecessarily we are spending it. So to overcome that kind of thing, they come up with the shortcut concept they come up with. If you see one more diagram, beautiful diagram is available. You can see this diagram. You can see this diagram. In the bottom, we see something called as shortcuts. Okay, visualize data in one lake from Azure, Dataverse, Google, Amazon, S3 bucket without moving or duplicating it. These all things are possible by using what? Shortcuts.
Shortcut.
Data may be there in the Azure, doesn't matter. It may be available in Amazon cloud. It may be Dataverse. It may be GCP. It may be anywhere else. Or you can notice here on-premise sources also. That means you have your own network is available. Some legacy old systems we are using it. Lot of data is available inside our servers. Then happily there is no need to duplicate the data by copying from there to here. Just we are going to create the shortcut. As I said, big things always will be coming with simple instructions, right? For example, this cloud data engineering, we have it. Where this is physically located in the C drive, in the work, in the DE, in the GitHub, right? If I want to create this one shortcut onto my desktop, right click here, then we can see send to, then we can see shortcut option. Desktop create shortcut option is available. Click on this one, then you can see on the desktop we are seeing the cloud data engineering one shortcut is came here. This is the cloud data engineering shortcut. Now tell me, really all the data is copied onto my desktop or only reference is copied?
Reference.
Reference.
Only reference. Similar kind of thing in this diagram also it is happening. So in the AWS we have some table data is available. We are not really going to copy it. Just we keep here a shortcut, we are going to keep it whenever you need it. We'll write some SQL, we'll get the data from AWS and push here. Okay. something like that, something like that. And also you can see mirroring. This is also good concept. Azure SQL DB, whatever we have it, that exactly we can mirror here. Okay, and many sources also down the line will coming. I said already it's a growing product. Yesterday we saw age also. What is the age of this product? What is the age of this product?
1.5 years.
Yeah. So that means it is very young now. It's very young. I can say it is a kid in the market, but it's going to grow. Lot will be coming, more coming soon. It's saying right. There are lot other databases are available. They will be applying this kind of concepts. So we are early birds. Always will get the more fruits in this one. Don't worry. Now coming back here, I want to see the fourth option. Fourth option we have here new data flow Gen 2. People who came with the background of Power BI kind of thing, they may be aware of Power Query is the one concept available. Or people who are very advanced users of Excel, then they also may be knowing the Power Query because this Excel also uses the Power Query. We'll try to understand what you mean by this new data flow Gen 2. Let us start with first one option. That option is called as upload files option. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah.
Now I'm trying to click on here upload files. As simple it is asking me to upload the files. Tell me where is your file is available. Okay, I'm browsing it. Click on this browse. Then I have here in the cloud data engineering, there is one lab data folder. Inside that one I have some data, very simple data is available emp.csv. I'm taking that one. It is a CSV file. Click on open. Now emp.csv, click on upload. Now we are able to upload it happily. Okay, now again I am trying to click on this one. Then I am trying to take here, for example, on the downloads folder, there is a file is available. The file is called as ROM photo JPEG is available. Let me open this one. Will agree or not? Now click on upload. Now is it agreeing or not agreeing?
Agreeing,
Agreed.
sir. Agreeing.
It is
Agreeing.
agreeing.
That means you have one file, that's it. That file may be any file. It may be CSV, it may be JPEG, this may be some kind of video, audio, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Yesterday we learned one more point yesterday. What we learned yesterday point, Lakehouse supports structured data or unstructured data or both?
Both.
Both.
But
Both. Lakehouse supports structured data, unstructured data, both it is going to support it. Both it is going to support it. Earlier concepts all are saying as, okay, I'm a data warehouse, I'm going to support only structured data. Okay. And I'm a data lake, I'm going to support only unstructured data. Now our lakehouse is beautiful, it supports both. There is a goodness of this one. Okay, anyhow, now I uploaded two things we uploaded at this point of time, it's okay. Now you can observe here, we are seeing the files. Under the files, these two files are available. It's as simple as in the OneDrive, how you used to upload it, we uploaded directly these files in the lake. If you want to see in our one lake explorer, right? Let me go to the one lake explorer. This is our one lake explorer. Just before I shown here in the files, nothing is available. Now, are you seeing anything? Maybe it is not refreshed. Sync from one lake. What is the option?
Sync from one leg.
Yeah, as of now, it may not be synced. Just now we created, right? It has to push here and there. Yeah, now it is synced here. Now you can see these two things are available. These are the two files, emp.csv, romphoto.jpeg, whatever I uploaded here, those things you're able to see in your mission, in your mission. But really it won't download, don't worry. Really it won't download here. Okay, whenever you really request it, then only download. Otherwise it will be there in the cloud only. Okay, for example, if you go for the Google Drive, is it really Google Drive is all the content is downloading here? For example, in my mission, I have the drive. The moment I type here Google Drive, I'm able to see the Google Drive. All this content, all this content, it's not opening. Okay, all this content, is it downloaded or it's not downloaded now? It's not really downloaded. These things are just references only. Whenever I request it, then it downloads. If I'm trying to open, then it downloads and shows to you, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
similar kind of concept, this one lake also. Okay, now we understand we uploaded two files we uploaded. One is called as CSV file, second is called as JPEG file. JPEG file, nothing much process we can do until and unless you know the machine learning. Through machine learning you want to process, we this JPEG we can able to do it. But time being, we'll work with the CSV file. Now I have the CSV file. Let's say further I want to organize it. I realized, okay, this is a data folder should be there. Under the data folder should become. Under the files, I can create here folder structures properly. There is a concept called as subfolder. Click on the subfolder. Then under the files, we are trying to create the subfolder. The name is called as, let's say, data. You can give any name you can give that will be coming here. Now you can see under the files, we are seeing the data folder also, we are seeing it. Data folder, we are seeing this file, we are seeing this is, we are seeing. Some reason I want to move this one to data folder now, just for organizing the content. Very simple. You have to click here and drag like this. Very simple, right? That automatically moved into the data folder now. Now inside the data folder, we are seeing the emp.csv. So this emp.csv now available under the data folder, and this data folder is available inside the files. This files is available inside the lakehouse, and this lakehouse is available inside the workspace. This workspace is available inside the one lake. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, okay, this file is available. It's very good. This file is available, very good. Can I see this file here? Yes. If you click on this emp.csv, then it's going to show you whatever data we have inside this file, we're able to see it. Okay. But it may not be all the case. All the files you may not able to see in the browser. For example, I'm going here, I'm trying to download some Parquet files. I'm trying to download it. Sample Parquet file download. Okay, then we are getting a download free Parquet sample files, something we got it. Then we can see here some Irish, it's a famous data set. So let me try to download this one. There are 50 uh, rows will be there. Now we got here this Irish Parquet is available. This one I want to upload it. Let me go here. I want to upload it. So go here data, click on these three dots. There is a concept called as upload files. I clicked on the data and I am uploading me. This file will come and sit where?
Data folder.
Data folder. It will come and you can see in the top under the files, under the data, this is going to appear. Click on the browse. Now I downloaded. It's available in the downloads folder. Go to the downloads folder. Then you can see Iris Parquet files. Then click on upload. Now we're able to see the Parquet file. Now, once we have here Parquet file, then if I click on this Parquet file, are you seeing the data?
No.
No, preview not available. As I said, all the files data immediately you cannot able to see it. We need some program because it's Parquet files, arc files, okay, Avro files. These all are columnar storage things. We need some kind of technology to open this even. Okay, so we are going to know what it mean later. Time being, we have here emp.csv. Now, if you click on this emp.csv, I can see option called as rename, delete, these things are okay. Here, one option is available, new table. What is the meaning of this one? And also you see one more beautiful symbol is appearing here, delta. This symbol is called as what?
Delta.
Delta. Everything is going to work. Delta table structures only it's going to work. Any table you are creating it is going to create the delta table. Okay, delta table has ACID properties. What do you mean by ACID properties? I come to you come to know later. Time being, I am trying to create a new table. Then it's saying as okay, new table name. What you want me to provide? I given here EMP, and also I'm accepting my table, my file as the header, and also we are saying what is a separator. It's a comma. Click on load. That's beautiful. Now you can see this emp.csv, whatever data available, using that data, we created here one table. We are going to create it. If we click on these tables now, let it complete here. It's saying as loading. It's saying as loading. Okay, meanwhile, Google it delta table and let me know what you understand. Delta table. What is ACID? In the delta table, you are seeing ACID now. In the
Yes,
delta
sir.
table,
Yes.
we are seeing the ACID.
Yeah.
What is ACID stands for? In the delta table, you are seeing maybe ACID, right? For example, if you go for chat GPT kind of thing, so you write here simply what
Atomicity,
is,
consistency, isolation, and durability. Correct.
yeah, that meaning is lot actually. You need to research today each word, each word, right? Now you see the ACID is the first point we have it, and that has a lot of meaning actually. You need to research what exactly meaning of this ACID. Each word, each one is very important. What is ACID? Okay, atomicity means what? Okay, consistency means what? Isolation means what? Durability is what? Just try to do the reading exercise today. Okay, now time being, I'm going back here. Then you can see under the tables, you're seeing a table is came that is called as EMP. If I click on the EMP, now we're able to see the beautiful data, we're able to see it. Wow, within no time, you converted a CSV file into table, right?
Yes. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
And do you notice it or not? Not too much technology also we used. Even some normal person who know how to navigate the system, you can able to do it, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. It's very
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Easy.
now, yeah, very easy. Yeah, now we have the EMP, it's came. That's cool. Now I'm a technology person. I want to query this one. I want to see specific data and all. Let's say simple question, each department ID, how much I am spending the salaries I wanted. Like that I want to write some query. SQL queries I want to write it. Where I can write the SQL query here. Observe all the options, whatever we have it. So max options we have is these are the options. And we have in the corner something is available. This is the option. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. Let me go for first this corner. We are seeing here Lakehouse. We are seeing if we click on this, then we are seeing the SQL Analytics endpoint. We are seeing it. The symbols you observe Lakehouse symbol and SQL Analytics endpoint symbol. You try to observe. Okay. Now let us say I am trying to click on SQL Analytics endpoint. What is the purpose of this one? It's saying
Great.
Query
query
data using
data
SQL.
using SQL. Click on this one. Then I clicked it. Yeah. Now you can see we got one more window. We got it. One more window. We got it. Now it's saying this SQL Analytics endpoint as a default. This is not required this point of time. Let me remove this suggestion and all. Now this is how the window is available. Now in the bottom we can notice query, then a model, then a preview your data. In the top, this is called as query purpose, is called as model purpose. Okay, and if you want to view the data directly, yet select the DBO, expand the tables, select the EMP, then we're able to see the EMP data. That's what the meaning of preview the data. Even if you expand it, each column, what we have it, and what is the data type. 123 means it's a whole number, ABC means it's a string. Those things also it is showing it. Okay, and time being you want to copy the data quickly, you can able to copy it, and this totally empty data you want to do it, you can do it. Okay, that's fine. I have here like Excel kind of interface only we have it. Excel kind of interface only we have it. Let us go and try to query it. That's what we are here, right? In the top we can notice there is SQL, there is option called as what is this?
New SQL query.
New SQL query. Click on this. Then let me close this one. This is not required. We also previewed. Now SQL query window, we got it. Now here you can go ahead and you can write the SQL query, you can write it. Actually, we are using trial version we are using. Shortly, Copilot will come here and it is going to ask you, hey, you want to write what? Write in the natural language. I'm going to write query for you. Like that feature, we are going to get it shortly. Like, like we have yesterday, it's shown or not, I'm not sure. Something like Colab kind of thing. If you go, suppose if you go to the file, then go for new notebook. Can you tell me any one mathematics concept? Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, here we have two options:
Yes.
start coding, second is generate with AI. If you click on the generate, and I'm asking here, find roots of quadratic equation, something like this I given. Okay, write in Python. Okay, then go and try to enter. Now it is going to write the code for you. Wow, beautiful. It's saying as find the roots based on the a, b, c, and it's doing minus b plus r minus b square 4ac by 2a. Did you remember or not? This was the mathematics. It is written the code for you. Similar that kind of feature. Shortly we are going to see it here. Uh, you need not write the code. You write just statement. It's going to write the SQL query for you. You understand what I mean?
Is that
Yes, sir.
to the next
So,
version?
Yeah.
I have
Yeah,
one
come.
question.
It will come
Here
shortly.
only Python related query we can write, or some other languages also there.
Some other language also. Any language you name it,
Oh,
it will come.
okay. That's great. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Now, my original question
I have
is,
a
I want to
question
know.
too.
Mhm,
But
mhm.
we can see only SQL in the like right. We didn't see any Python or any other different language.
We'll see. We'll see. This window I've opened is SQL. We see those things also.
Okay.
We have. Okay. My original question is, we want to go for department number wise salary expenditure. We want to see it. Expenditure. We want to. This was the question what I have in my mind. Now, okay, we are going to write here, let's say select, then we are going to write the department number, then we're going to write here sum of salaries as total underscore salary. Then from that table is called as EMP. Then we are writing here group by, then DEPT number, we are taking it. That's it. We written the query. In the top, there is a run option is available. Click on the run. Now you can notice happen. Started exit line 1 message invalid column name DPT number. Why? DPT number. It's not there. Very interesting. Yeah, there's a problem with this small button. Why it is not there? Select star from EMP. What are the things we have? Okay. We have these things DPT number. Very nice. DPT number. Same thing I written. Okay.
So is it case sensitive?
Yeah, looks like actually SQL is not.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I need to comment this, then run this. Okay, now we are able to see DEP number is available in the capital letters. Okay, and the EMP table available in the small letters. I written everything different way. That's the reason it not worked earlier. Now it is working. So DEP number wise, we are seeing the salary expenditure. By observing this one, where we are spending more,
20.
Like salary.
20th department, right? In the 20th department, we are
Yeah.
spending more. So all I want to say is you can write the SQL query. That's what I want to say. The SQL query, once written, I want to save it for the future use purpose. Then you can right click on this SQL query one. There is a rename is available. Then go and try to paste it. And for our organizing purpose, this is the first query I written. So I'm writing here 01 DPIT number wise salary expenditure. Click on this rename. Then it is renamed here. And I want to save this one for the future uses purpose. You can go and you can do that one. Let's say this Explorer window is not appearing properly. Here one small button is there that is not coming. Let me remove this full screen. Now it's appearing. You understand what I mean, right? There is a two arrow marks are available over there. Are you able to see it?
Yes, I am able to.
Okay, that I'm not able to click on that. That's the problem. Okay,
So this
Yeah.
SQL query will be saved to
yeah, you
the
can save
files
it.
or folders.
Yes, file normal SQL .SQL file is going to be saved. Okay, you can see here we have the my queries. Then in the bottom you can see here we have the my queries, and this my queries, this file is saved. This is what I want to show it actually. In this window somehow I was not able to click on this double arrow. Double is there, right? This arrow mark I cannot click it. That's what I duplicated this page and I came to other window. Now, okay, this is just for the future use purpose. Let's say I used to write every day some test case. Once those are all completed, night I'm going to run some SQL query. Okay, how many rows are loaded from source to target? I'm doing that kind of testing. I'm doing it.
So
Then
Ram, one question. So
Mhm.
we have not created a folder like queries, but it automatically created or it was there
Yeah,
earlier?
automatically created for you.
Okay.
Automatically created for you. Okay. Now I think we can able to write the SQL queries. We can able to write it, but sometimes problem is I'm not good with the SQL query. Then what we can do? There is one more option is available that's called as visual query. Visual query. That means visualization wise, you can write the query here and there, drag and drop kind of thing. Let me experience this visual query means what. Now we experienced SQL query means what we experienced it. We are writing this query, we are writing it, and we are renaming that one, and that automatically comes and stores into the my queries. It is going to store here. Okay. Let us go and try to experience what you mean by visual query. Click on this visual query. Then we are seeing here visual query. To build the query, drag our tables here. What is the instruction?
Table.
Yeah.
Drag the
Now we
table.
have the tables here. Then DBO, there is a tables. We have only one table we created as of now. Just try to drag and drop this table into this empty space. The moment you drop it here, I think the space again I need to control means I don't want this window. Okay, I need to minimize it. Maybe I need to again I not duplicate maybe later. Let me full screen. Okay. This window, people who came with the Power BI background, anyone is there who came with the Power BI background, then the top, whatever you're seeing, these all options, right? These all options they know already because this window is a Power Query window. Actually, these all are Power Query window. They know already what is merged, what is append, those all things. Because it's a Power Query, one concept is available, that concept it is. Now, you are trying to see in the bottom all the data we are seeing it, okay, and at the top we have so many transformations also available. whatever you want, just go ahead and try to use it and implement it. For example, I don't want these all columns, EMP number to salad, air date, I don't want it. Select it, then we have option called as remove columns, remove it. Then we're able to remove it. Then I don't want commission also, select it, then there is a remove columns, remove it. We're
So
able to remove it.
removing these columns is only removing from the canvas, right? Not from the table.
Yeah, in this query, yeah, not from the table.
Yeah.
Yeah, only in this particular activity.
Canvas. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So you can see the steps also on top of the table. There is a remove step is added, removed columns. Now, once it is removed, we have only now two columns are available. Okay, but it's not grouped as of now. It's not grouped. If you group it, that is enough for me, right? 20 corresponding whatever salary numbers are available. If I'm able to group it, I'm done. So here you can notice something available, visualize these results. If you click on this visualize these results, visualize this result. It's working. Download is working.
There is no spinning wheels.
Yeah, no spinning wheel. Okay, what I want to say is visualize results means we can go and we can get the different types of graphs we are going to get it, and we can drag and drop and we can see the things very easily. That's what this meaning of the new visual query. I'll talk about this more later anyhow. Next is available new SQL query in the notebook. Nowadays, just now I want to show something immediately I opened something called as IPYNB. IPYNB stands for Interactive Python. NB stands for notebook. Notebook. Notebook environment is very convenient for the users nowadays. That is the reason they provide a option called as new SQL query in the notebook. Click on this one, then it's going to open creating the notebook environment for you. Creating notebook environment for you. Now you can see in the top notebook one fabric. Now it's saying as loading your notebook. Now welcome to your new notebook. Type here in the cell editor to add the code. So what type of code we are trying to write here?
SQL.
TSQL. Okay. Now go and try to write that kind of code. Simple. Select star from EMP. We are writing it. Execute it. Here itself we are going to see the data. We are going to see it. Okay. Always as a best practice, include the schema name also because it's available in the DBO, right? If you are including that, it will be always it is a best practice. Okay, dbo.emp so that it will be good. Okay, now if you want to add one more cell here in the bottom, once this result you are seeing, right, then bottom we are seeing code. Click on this code, then you can write here one more query you can able to write here. For example, just now we written a query. This is the query you written. You want to execute in the notebook environment. Go to the notebook one and paste here. Then try to execute it. We're able to see department name wise, department number wise, salaries. We're able to see it. This notebook environment, we can have multiple code cells you can write here like this, one by one. You can write it. Multiple queries you can able to write your own way. That is what called as notebook environment. And once you created this notebook environment, in the top, there is an option called as Save As. If you click on the Save As, then it's going to allow you to change the notebook name and all. I am writing here, today we are just exploring UI, user interface. We are trying to explore. In that one, notebook we created, that's it. We are not going deep diving into the functionalities and all. Just we are exploring it. Now we saved that one. Okay. We saved that one. You can notice in the top explore UI notebook is saved. In this one, we written 2 or 3 code lines we written here. Okay, good. Now let me go back to my actual workspace today, whatever I did it. Just I want to observe it, what I did great job today. If I click on this my workspace today we did lot of things we did it. One of the thing we did here is one of the thing I did here is I created what? Lakehouse.
Lake house.
Then with that I got the semantic model. With that I got the SQL Analytics endpoint. Just now we created a notebook also we created. Okay, you create a SQL query, those things, those all things are available inside this SQL Analytics endpoint. It is available.
When you
Okay,
said semantic model, what was that?
yeah, we'll talk about it. This is a
Okay.
Power BI input kind of thing.
Okay, so when we created the
Okay,
lakehouse, that
anyhow,
comes
we are going to
automatically
speak
with that.
automatically. It's came. Yeah, the moment
Okay.
you create the lakehouse, two
Yep.
objects are came automatically. These two objects are came
SQL and okay.
without our consent. These two objects automatically comes the moment you create the lakehouse. Yeah. Okay, I think we are good today. Just go and try to explore uh, module 1, that is exploring the user interface only. Just try to explore it. Tomorrow we'll go for the next options and we'll try to observe it.
Yeah.
And I will share one Excel sheet. Let me share one Excel sheet.
Ram, yesterday you said that you will share with us an ID in order to go into the
Yeah,
app.power by.
that's what I'm trying to do. Now, if you go to this Microsoft Fabric, I kept here one Excel. Okay, what this Excel is, let me share this one first. Share. So we are going with the anyone with this link. Okay, then click on done. Okay, now what we have here is just I need the name. Okay, and mail ID mainly. These two things are I need. Remaining thing is optional. If you want, you can give it. Otherwise, leave it. That's up to you. Okay. So first one is username. That you also you can write it how you want it your mail ID basically. At the rate after you cannot touch it anyhow, right? Before at the rate, what you want exactly that you need to choose it as first name, last name. Okay, display name. Then mobile phone number, that is up to you. If you are giving, it's okay. Not giving also is okay. City also not mandatory. State also not mandatory. Country also not mandatory. But year, month, day, these things are write it so that this IDs whatever I am giving, right? I may not give lifetime. Okay, I cannot accommodate like that. So initially I'll give the 3 months. Then based on the request, I will extend other 3 months, something like that. If no one is requesting means they are not using it. That's how I'll assume and I'll try to remove it. This Excel I'm going to use in that way. You got my point?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Ram. Could you repeat what you said? I didn't get it. I'm sorry.
Just you write your name here. Just you write your name here. And the day when you are writing the name, just write the year, which month, which day you are writing this one, just write here. This phone number, is all things also optional. Just I need the name. That's it. Only name.
That the
So
Okay.
username I'll use as it is, or do you want me to change it with my name on the username?
Yeah, because I need to create the access for you, right?
Yeah.
Uh, let me
are you
show you how,
sending this Excel to us or will you send the
yeah,
link?
yeah. I that's what I mean. Just now I copied, right? Oh, not copied.
No.
Let me. Okay, just I need the name, and if remaining information is optional, totally optional. Okay. Now, let me click on here. Done. So if you give the name IDs, then I'm going to give the Microsoft ID. I'm going to give to you. That's it.
So you just need the username and the year of
Yeah.
today and month of today. That should remain same,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. That's right. Okay.
And where
If
we
you
can
have,
get the video classes, I mean recorded classes.
yeah, from our website, I will be recording for this one, and I will be uploading it to give the access to you.
So, Ram, do I
Mhm.
have to create a username or just the link? Once I click the link, I should be
Okay,
able to
no,
see
one,
the
wait,
recordings.
hold on. Then a lot of questions. Let us go and try to create one so that you come to understand what I'm looking.
Thank you.
So let me see here. We go here.
హాయ్ సార్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్.
Hi.
యాక్చువల్లీ యెస్టర్‌డే గూడా నేను జాయిన్ అవ్వలే. ఈరోజే ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ నాది. సో, నాకు యెస్టర్‌డే రికార్డింగ్ కూడా ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతదో తెలియదు.
I'll send.
థాంక్ యూ.
Yeah. Now here we can notice add user, right? I can click on add user means it's going to ask me a couple of things. What is the first name? What is the last name? Basically, for example, uh, to whom I can create now. John, you there? Okay.
Yes, I'm here.
JOHN, then ABRAHAM. ABRAHAM. Just my data purpose 2025. Then 02, then 21. Okay, that will come something like this. I'll remove this. Then I'll make this as a, sorry. This is you have the freedom actually. If you give this in your hand, then it will be good. This is what I need actually. First name is what, last name is what you like to display, what username you wanted. These 4 fields I want basically. If you give that,
Actually, I
I'm good.
clicked on the link and it says that view only. It's not able to type in the Excel sheet.
Is it?
Yep.
Yes, sir, it is getting us view only,
Mhm.
unable to edit the
I did not
information.
click on this button. Maybe now try it. Now try it.
Yeah, now I think it's good. Do I have to
Sir, able to
type
do
the
it
name
now.
or
Sorry.
do I have to do it because you created already the user?
Yeah. Still you have to do it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So this is how we are going to get the ID. Now, if you log into the app.powerbi.com, John, if you're not doing all that is okay. Just share your screen. I'll show you how you can able to enable this. Can you please able to share your screen? I'm giving this data to you. This is your username and password. Now, anyhow, we are going to change your password now. Don't worry.
Share.
Right.
Oh,
Okay.
somebody else.
Yeah, good. No, this is not required. Just minimize it. Later we'll see. Now, go to our notes. Go to our GitHub.
How
Go
to?
to our GitHub. Just type the github.com. I'll leave that link also otherwise.
Yeah. On the link.
Okay. I'm giving that link also. Okay, I gave it. I'll make you to create the workspace from your side.
Getting jam.
In the Teams chat, you got it? In the Teams chat, yeah.
Well, where is the Teams chat?
Where is the Teams chat? Okay, good question.
I hear it.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Yeah, that is the one. Yeah, that's the one.
Create workspace.
Mhm.
Fine. So I have to change the name.
No. The screenshot where you click, just don't click it. Go back. I think one more tab is there, right? No,
And
no.
I accept.
In the browser top, we are seeing the tabs. This tab is not needed for us. From last second one, yeah, that this one. Don't click anything. Exercise 2. Go for the exercise 2. We have the exercise 2, right? Just scroll up. Scroll bit up. Yeah, now we are hold on. Exercise 2. In the exercise 2,
Wait.
point number 1. In the point number 1, we have the URL, right?
Yes.
Just take that URL and go to the browser. Now paste it and enter. Any dot is there? Remove the dot in the end. Yeah. Okay. Now it's asking email, right? Everyone, please see this one. Okay, we are giving the Fabric license to you. Okay. Once I give the username and password, what steps you need to follow? What steps you need to follow? That's what he's doing now. Okay. Now, whatever username password I given, right? Just can you copy the username password into some notepad from the Teams? In the Teams bottom, we have Teams window. Right. Just above, I given username password, right? Copy into somewhere in the notepad. Anyhow, that is required for the future use also.
Okay. So I have to use this one as. Is it right?
Yeah, you are right. Submit. Okay, now it's asking current and new password, right? Current password you take from what I given.
Yeah.
Copy that from notepad. You already taken? Okay, good. New password, don't tell to anyone. You put it and you have to remember it. If you're not remembering, you're giving one more task to me to reset it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is your personalized password. Now onwards, no one able to access your ID and password. Okay, I hope you remembered, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, yeah, here in the mobile, Microsoft Authenticator app, you need to download it. In the mobile, what mobile you're using? iPhone or
Yeah.
Android?
I have the authenticator app.
Excellent then. Then click on next directly. Okay, and make your Authenticator app also readily in your mobile.
Yes.
Okay, click next. In the desktop, click next. Again, in the desktop, click next. Now in the mobile, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. In the right side corner, there is a plus symbol, add account.
Yes.
Click on that add account.
Yes.
Add using QR code, is there something?
And it says personal account,
Work, you have to take it.
Okay, scan QR code.
Yeah, work once you click it, then scan QR code. Yes. Scan this one on the screen, whatever you're seeing, scan it.
Yeah, it already scanned.
Okay, then next. Excellent. Did you get that
Yes.
some notification?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, type 20 in your mobile.
I did it.
Okay, excellent. It's like our normal authenticator app account. That's it. MSID it is.
Yeah.
Click on next. Now provide your phone number. Okay, next. This is just for the recovery purpose. Only some reason you forget the password tomorrow, then it will be useful. Okay. Then some code may be you received. Nowadays they're sending codes into the WhatsApp
Yeah.
also. Yeah. Yeah. Next. Next. Done. Wow, beautiful job. They say over there, don't show this again. Don't show this again. Yes, say yes. So that tomorrow onwards, don't ask even username and password. Directly it will allow you to application. Wow, you got it. You got it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Now left side, you see, cancel this one. Cancel this. That fabric, whatever, cancel it. Left side, you see from top second button, workspaces, right?
Yes.
Click on that. Then the bottom we see new workspace green color. Click on that.
Yes.
New workspace green color. Click on that. Next, you can write over there John Abraham workspace. Click on apply. And try free. Try free. Click on the try free. Got it. Now you see in the top, it is 60 days free. It is showing to you, right?
What
Yeah,
is
in
that?
the right side top corner.
59 days left. Yeah.
Yeah, that means today already discounted.
Yeah.
Okay. So 60 days by default it is going to give it. Okay. If once it is completed, anyone is really interested to practice more, then they can reach to me. I can create one more ID for you. I can give it. Okay.
Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt. What did I miss?
No, nothing you missed. Still, I am in the data engineering class. Hold on.
Okay. Okay.
Now go and try to click on create the lakehouse. So we created the workspace. Now we created, right? Click on the
Yes.
workspaces in the top second, from top second one. Click on it.
And
Oh, we did not
again,
create the workspace. We created, right? We clicked on the apply. Why it is not came? It's not came. Again, we have to try it, I think. It's not came. Username. Then workspace. Go to the advanced tab. Once let's see
sorry.
what type of license it is taking. In the same screen, go to the advanced tab.
Go to the
advanced
advanced.
below. Yeah, that one. Scroll down. There is a pro. It is available. Go down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Why it is not enabled?
Apply is enabled actually.
No. Don't click. There is a trial is available, right? The trial should be enabled. Why it is not enabled?
Yeah, it is not enabled.
Okay, that is a problem. Mm. One moment. Premium per user power features including fascination. The trial need to enable for you.
Yeah.
It's not enabling.
No.
Okay. Let us refresh once the screen. Refresh once entire screen. Again, try it. First see advanced, later we type the name. Just see the advanced first.
Oh.
Still
Yeah.
not enabled?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nope.
Hmm, hmm. Select premium per user.
Which one? Premium per user.
Yeah, but there is not the right option, but we will try it. Click on apply.
I have to give the name, right?
Yeah. Selected fabric license, right?
Does that have anything to do with the naming convention or so? No.
No, nothing to do with naming convention. Click on apply. Okay, got it. Say got it. Now still we have 59 days. Very good. Okay. Anyhow, this is created now. Okay.
Yeah, it's trial only.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. The trial only, but somehow the trial is not enabled for this workspace. It's okay. Click on the new item. In the top right corner, search for Lakehouse. Yeah, select it. Click it. Then give some name. Jan Abraham. Unable to create
Mhm.
to create Lakehouse. You need free.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Click on new item again. Yeah, the year is stopping. I think looks like. Click on Lakehouse. What it's
unable
saying?
to-
You need to a
Yeah.
free trial
Yeah.
capacity. Unfortunately, Microsoft tenant has reached the maximum number of available free trial capacities. Oh my God! This is my side problem. You understand what it means, right?
Yeah, already the number of
We have
users.
licenses are only 25. We have it. Okay, I will
So
remove
due to,
someone and allocate some space for you.
so due to that, even the trial also disabled. Is it due to that?
Maybe,
Yes.
maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the reason I
Can,
need to
can we use
organize.
the premium per trial thing, and can we start to create, or should we leave it?
No, don't do anything. I will give them again notification. Even this idea also I need to remap it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, fill that Excel at time being. I will organize it.
And also if you can give me the link for the recording.
Yeah, I'll do. I'll do.
Yeah.
I'll
So,
do.
sir, like by next class, do we need to activate this? Like, when will you remap it? This, like, when
No,
can
you
we
once you
starting with
provide the
this?
data in the Excel, okay, in this weekend I will organize all.
Yes, sir. Sure. I have
Okay.
entered
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
details.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
And when is the next class? On Monday?
Monday. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Sir, can you please give me yesterday's class link, or like recording, and today's recording as well, 2 days recordings,
Sure,
because I
I will
missed
do.
yesterday's class.
I will do.
Yeah,
Will,
thank you.
will you be
Thank you.
sending to the email or you'll be?
So